Hello friends, welcome once again to Track Conversations. Today we have with us Mr. Sunit Choksi, partner at Arman Developers, and known for his passion in whatever he does. Mr. Sunit Choksi is making a truly uber luxurious residential project named The Waterfall off ISKCON Ambli Road. He also is a world life master in the game of bridge, the most difficult mind sport, and has won many national and international titles including a bronze medal in World Championship held in Poland in 2016. He is also the chairman of Saket 2 Society, and the very famous and prestigious Garba organized by the society is the brainchild of Mr. Choksi. Today we are going to have a conversation with him to know more about his work and his passion for bridge. Thank you very much Sunit bhai for joining us for Track Conversation and coming to our office for one more time.
Well, I have to, as a matter of fact, I have to thank you for inviting me over.
Absolutely. It's truly a pleasure, Sunit. Whenever I have a conversation with you, it's always been a fun conversation. This time we are having a different kind of a conversation. Screen upar record ka tha evo conversation we are doing, and we are going to share it with people. But I'm sure it's going to be great. Sunit bhai, I just wanted to ask you this since ever, कि तमे stainless steel import business तमे करता था Bombay, and then you moved to Ahmedabad and eventually you got into the real estate business.
Yeah.
So what made you come back to Ahmedabad from leaving your business of steel import in Bombay?
Yeah, well, I was born and brought up in Ahmedabad. My schooling was in Xavier's and GLS. In 93, I moved to Bombay and I got into stainless steel business in 97, 98. And basically, I was importing stainless steel coils, mainly 304. My business was growing at a very fast pace. The markets were very good. In 2003 September, my father had a massive paralytic stroke.
Okay.
In September. So basically, my wife, my daughter and myself, we came here and we stayed here like for 10-15 days. Then my daughter was in school then.
Right.
So I told my wife that my father had started recovering.
Right.
So they both went back after 15-20 days. I stayed for another 10-15 days. Once I went back to Bombay, I told my wife, I want to be being the only son. Of course, I have elder sister.
Right.
But I told her, let's move back after our daughter's, school term gets over, basically, which was around 7 months from then or 8 months from then.
Right.
And in June 2004, we moved back to Ahmedabad.
Such a noble cause or a very good reason to move back. I'm sure your father would be very happy those days. Sunit bhai, તમે પાછા આવીને you got into real estate business. You did know you left your steel business and you got into real estate business.
Yes.
What made you come to real estate business so far? અને અત્યાર સુધીની તમારી journey about real estate business, if you can just shed some light on that.
Well, my journey is now 18 years into real estate and I've done only one project at a time.
Nice.
And that is how I intend to do, hopefully for a long
Fully
time.
focused on one thing at a time.
Yes.
Right.
And I'm extremely passionate about what I do.
Right.
And because I used to play bridge also, like I represented India for almost 17-18 years.
Right.
I thought I wanted to, do real estate as well as bridge.
Right. બહુ સરસ. So if you can just tell about your journey so far. અત્યાર સુધી તમે real estate, how do you started and so far what you're doing and
Well,
what are
my
your current
first project was on Sindhu Bhavan Road, Arman Bungalows.
Okay.
Then I did a couple of projects in Nadiyad.
Okay.
And then I did a couple of projects in Vatwa and Narur.
Right. Very nice.
So Waterfall will be my sixth project.
Waterfall would be your sixth project. Yeah. And that Waterfall will come to Waterfall soon because it is the talk of the town, being one of the most luxurious projects that we can think of in Ahmedabad, and you're gifting something to Ahmedabad citizens. What you're creating is phenomenal.
That's truly flattering.
Thank you so much. Sunit bhai, you just mentioned about the bridge. You are an international fame of when it comes to the game bridge. And એક બહુ જ રેર છે કે તમે અમદાવાદ જેવા સિટી કે ગુજરાતમાંથી કોઈ બ્રિજ જેવી ગેમમાં ઇન્ટરનેશનલ લેવલ ઉપર somebody is that popular or somebody is that successful at the international level. So if you can just tell our audience કે તમે અત્યાર સુધી બ્રિજના તમારા achievements, how you got into the bridge actually, how you got engaged, got interested into bridge, અને તમારા અત્યાર સુધીની journey of bridge so far.
Well, I played a lot of sports including cricket, basketball, billiards and snooker, table tennis, badminton. Most of them I played at the state level, like table tennis, badminton, basketball. I used to represent Gujarat in schools. I've represented Gujarat in juniors at the Bangalore Nationals. in
Okay.
billiards and snooker.
Okay.
And what happened is Gujarat, as you know, the standard of billiards in Gujarat with players like
Mr.
Geet
Geet
Sethi,
Sethi
Raj
and-
Kamal Vakil, Neil
Correct.
Kamal Vakil, Ashish Parekh,
Right.
Sonik Multani.
Correct.
So I always went to Bangalore thinking that, I might do something really big
Right.
and perform extremely well in Bangalore. And in the juniors, I lost in the first round. So I was so disheartened. So there were two ways of looking at it. One was continuing with the game and trying to improve. The other was, I was so disheartened that, I let my state down at the national level. And I used to go to Elizabeth Gymkhana every day to play billiards, and a lot of my friends from the billiards room were playing bridge every evening. So I used to go and sit with them after the nationals, being so disheartened.
Right.
And like once you need a foursome to play bridge.
Right.
And once they were only three, so they said every day you watch, at least play till someone comes. And I started playing, I enjoyed playing that evening, and then I continued, and the rest is history.
Wow. So it just was an happenstance that you got into the game of
Yes.
bridge, because
Otherwise I always thought it's such a stupid game, and I used to watch them play, but then I realized, like, you might be aware of the fact that, bridge has much more combinations and permutations than chess.
Oh, is
and
it?
it's
Okay, I
a-
wasn't aware. I am not aware, to be
No,
honest.
it's a mind sport. Bridge
Yeah.
is a mind sport.
Correct.
And the combinations, permutations are much higher than chess also.
Brilliant. So it was a very unfortunate incident that you lost in the game of billiards or snooker.
But today, if I look back, I would say that was the most fortunate
There's a blessing
thing
in
that happened
disguise
to
for
me.
you. Very nice. એટલે
That is
તમે ચાર જણા જોઈએ બ્રિજ રમવા માટે અને one person was missing, and that's how you got into the game, and you liked it so much that you took it to the...
That is right.
Wow. તમારા અત્યાર સુધીના બ્રિજના what are your main achievements that you've done internationally? If you can just tell our audience.
Well, I think I've won 17 or 18 national championships. I won 2 Commonwealth gold medals.
Wow.
Till date, I and my partner, who was from Chennai, we are the only Asians ever to win the Warner Trophy in US. We have reached the quarterfinals, pre-quarterfinals, semi-finals of World Championships very
Nice.
many times. God has been kind, that's all I
That is amazing. And you were, when we were talking, you were also mentioned that you are part of a club in Chennai, which you're the only person who's
non-Gujarati. yes.
non-Gujarati there.
Basically,
because-
they make only Tamilians like Ravichandran Ashwin,
Right.
Krish Srikanth,
Right.
W.V. Raman,
The sports people.
Vishwanathan Anand.
Correct.
Basically, they make only Tamilian sports people who achieve something big in sports. They make them honorary members. So I am the only non-Tamilian whom they offered and given this honorary membership.
Wow, so you achieved so much in the world of bridge. That is phenomenal, and it's a mind game. And when I talk to you, I understand how much you think minutely in smallest details you can go. Probably that has a lot to do with your connection with the game of bridge, is
Yeah,
what I would like to think.
Yeah, I was really flattered when you told me, and I really liked it when you told me that I've gone into the minutest detail when you visited my project, which made me really happy.
I got the privilege from you to go and visit the sample house before a lot of people could go there. And what you're creating there, it's next level. It's not probably next level, also it's a few levels above the next level. But we'll come to that. Sunit bhai, I also want to talk to and touch the other side of yours, where you have you are a chairman of Saket 2 Society.
Yeah.
And અત્યારે Saket 2 na Garba, that is your baby, that you created this Saket 2 Garba, and right now it's a rage in the city. It's probably the most popular destination when it comes to Navratris, and people of the western side of the city want to go to some really nice and happening Garba.
Yeah.
So in Saket 2 is the place. How did you conceptualize that whole thing, and how did you make it so successful?
Well, I always firmly believed that when the intent is right, things generally go your way and good things happen.
Nice.
And the intent was basically, as you are aware, Saket 2 is a youth society,
Correct.
and there was no interaction amongst the members. Now,
Okay.
one of the things of a gated community which I firmly believed is that, gated community is like, it's a family.
Correct.
When in need, પડોશી પહેલા આવશે, because family
બહુ
ને
સાચી
ફોન
વાત
કરશો,
છે.
friends ને ફોન કરશો, એમને તો
Correct.
આવતા થોડો સમય લાગશે.
Correct.
But your neighbors will be the first people to be there.
Correct.
So they are your first family.
Correct.
And unfortunately, there was no interaction because it's such a big society because
Right.
of the distances. So
Right.
I thought at least કંઈક એવું arrange કરું કે at least all members get to know each other, they can interact with each other.
Right.
So the intent was good, and that is how the Garbas were started. I clearly remember the first year, I literally used to beg. Like if you had come to my office, I would have told you, Anand bhai, 400 રૂપિયા આપો ને આ 2 પાસ લો ને.
શું
And
વાત
please
કરો?
come with your wife. Or
Right.
4 pass lo, please come with your kids.
Right.
So that is how first year we did the Garbas.
Right.
And very proudly today I can say that Saket 2 is not a society, it's a family. And I think not most, all the members will agree with me. Whosoever are staying, and down the line, the members who will, build their houses there and move there will also agree with me on this.
Saket 2 as a society has also gained a lot of popularity with the Garba happening. No doubt right now though with the roads and connectivity that has got in, it's truly amazing to see that locality being developed. પણ સાકેટ 2 ના ગરબા રાઇટ નાઉ આઈ નો તો તમે 400 રૂપિયાના પાસ વેચવાની મહેનત કરતા હતા કોઈ ટાઈમે અને અત્યારે ગમે તેટલા પૈસા ફેંકો ને છેલ્લે પાસ નથી મળતા લોકોને. So that is the situation and it's a pride, it's a prestige to even have to be at that place when the Garba is happening. So kudos to you, and as you said.
But along with that, I would like to say that we have been lucky that the gentry there is also excellent.
Correct. The members who are living there.
Without the members,
yes.
this would not have been possible, no
Correct.
matter how hard, whatever
Correct.
efforts you put in, how much of hard work you put in.
Absolutely.
But without the members, it wouldn't have been
Correct.
possible.
And your intent, as you said, કે તમારું જે intention, when their intention is right, the things go your way. So your intention was never to make it a commercial success. It was to get the society together.
Correct.
That people mingle with each other and they get connected.
Actually what I said members, I should be saying family members.
Right. Correct. So nice. Sunit bhai, now let's talk about the waterfall that your current project is, and you are making something really out of the box, out of the normal definition of what luxury is. So if you can just tell our audience what that project is all about, where it is located, and what are some unique features of that project and so on.
Anand, you know all the features, so you need not hear
I
it from
know, but
my
our
mouth.
audience doesn't.
Well, a lot of things are first in Gujarat, plenty of them are first in Ahmedabad, a few of them are first in India.
Right.
So basically the focus here is, along with spaces, luxury, how do you define luxury? Luxury, as we all know, is a very broad term.
Correct.
Like you can have a 10,000 square feet apartment, a 7,000 square feet, everything is luxury. 20,000 square feet apartment is also luxury. But along with the spaces, lot of things add up to make it actual luxury. Like the ceiling height, the amenities, the specifications,
Correct.
the quality of finishing.
Right.
Like I remember the day you came, you said like you have not seen better. Forget the specifications.
Correct.
But I remember you are saying you have not seen such quality of finishing ever.
100%. The finishing was, I am a big fan of finishing. Material may not be or may be used that may be that high or that expensive or not, but finishing tells what kind of efforts has gone in.
Specifications, so you saw the specifications, I need not say because Ahmedabad is such a small market that word
Correct.
of mouth
Correct.
is the best way to publicize your project.
Correct.
And as you saw that Italian marble is used all over, all bathrooms have Italian marble.
Correct.
Full height.
Correct.
And not tiles, they are actual
They
Italian
are
marble.
actual Italian marbles, full height in
Yes.
the washrooms as well. That is phenomenal.
Correct. Now, our entire staircase from ground floor to the terrace is granite. Even the entire staircase cladding is granite.
Correct.
As you saw, even the handrail is granite.
Handrail is granite.
this
Is the
is-
first time ever I am seeing in any property. Mostly you will see some nice wood, ક્યારેક આપણે
Or
સાગનું
metal,
wood,
or
something
metal.
like that you will see. But having the handrails that too finished like so smooth that holding is not a problem when you're holding and grabbing the railing and you're climbing or getting down. It is the stone edge is not hurting you anywhere. That kind of finishing was next level. So that's brilliant.
Like you asked me what are the amenities, what is so different than other projects. Then let me tell you that all our lifts, the owner lifts are all Mitsubishi lifts, 4 of them.
Right.
You saw the size of the lifts, they are huge.
Very nice.
We have the fastest lifts of Gujarat in a residential building, 2.5 meters.
So those are the fastest lifts in
second,
Gujarat.
2.5
Okay.
meters
In the
per
residential
second,
project.
yes.
Okay.
Our flushing water is RO. Our Wash basin water is RO.
So જે લોકો ક્ષારનો પ્રોબ્લેમ થાય છે
The
તમારા
entire
બિલ્ડિંગમાં
building
ક્યાંય
except the servants' passage, the entire building and the servants' area, everything is air conditioned.
રાઈટ
In the common areas, we have treated fresh air. In the apartments, we have fresh air. We have a massive theatre, 23 feet high,
રાઈટ
36 all recliners where you can watch a movie first day in your own theatre. We have
This is
a
a very crucial point. First day, first show movie like you would see in a theater. It is
Yes.
not a recorded. You do not have to wait for the movie to come on
the
OTT
other good
platform
part
or a
talking
DVD.
about the theatre is, you know, because in today's time making a theatre because of the prices of land, cost of construction,
Right.
making a theatre is almost non-viable.
Correct.
Commercially.
Correct.
So we'll be having the latest theatre. Plus, what has happened is like PVR, Cinepolis, all this were
Correct.
made years back.
Right.
And since our theatre will be ready by end of next year or mid next year,
Right.
we'll be having the latest sound technology, also the best projection systems.
Right.
So we'll definitely, our members will have the benefit of using the best theatre in the city.
Last night I went to the movie theater to see Kashmir Files,
Okay.
and I know what kind of like how much time I have to keep to ensure that I reach in time. After that, you're taking the basement, you're taking the staircases.
Getting your body fresh.
Yes, yeah, getting
Then if you get into the elevator, there are almost 30-40 people in the
there
same
were
elevator.
there were. Getting down is also like you have to wait
That
for
is
3
how
elevators.
this thought of making a theatre came to my mind.
Right.
That what happened is I hardly went with my wife for a movie once in 3, 4, 5, 6 months.
Correct.
Trying to, you know, make sure that she doesn't miss the movie. I would make
Right.
sure that I'll avoid any kind of traffic jam. So I'll keep that buffer period.
Right.
So you reach the theatre 10-15 minutes early.
Right.
Then they say show will start at 10 p.m. That is what the ticket says.
Correct.
From 10 to 10:25, there are trailers and advertisements and everything.
Yes.
You are already yawning. You had
Correct.
a very, you know, stressful and tiring day at work.
Correct.
At 10:25, the movie starts. Then there's the interval which says 20 minutes. It shows on the screen.
Correct.
So again, you are already yawning
Right.
by then because
Right.
you are extremely tired.
Correct.
You don't even have the courage to tell your wife that
You do not want to
may I
enjoy the
take
movie. You want to
over
go back.
and leave or something.
Correct.
So then, you know, by the time you sleep, it's almost 2:15 in the night.
Correct.
So
And
that
you go
is
through
how
all
the
that
idea
hassle.
of this theatre came, because
Right.
this waterfall is combining spaces, combining specifications, combining the best quality finishing,
Correct.
along with all these amenities which a human being today who has achieved something in life wants.
Right.
So the only thing which is absolutely rare in today's time is time.
Correct. Correct. Well said. અને what amazes me, it's a satellite connected first day first show kind of a setup where like you know
Correct.
અત્યારે બી people take pride in going to Karnavati Club or Rajpath Club if they're a member of that club.
In Waterfall, as I look at it, it might not be a first day first show, because first day generally the shows get released on a Friday or something.
Correct. Okay. So, for the weekend.
generally people are working, so it might be last show first day.
Okay, fair enough. Yeah. Oh, okay. So,
So first
whatever.
day, last show,
So
rather.
yeah. So most of the people who are working will go
So
in the evening
basically
only.
we can have an afternoon show only on Sunday.
Correct.
So right now what I have in mind is Friday, Saturday, Sunday shows will be for the members
Right.
based on their convenient time,
Correct.
because we can, you know, ask for a movie at any
Nice.
time.
Nice.
And Monday to Thursday we might give it to members. We will give it to members on rent if someone wants to host a private show for their friends, family, relatives.
Oh, nice. Oh, nice. Very nice. So people do not now, not just the members, but even their friends and family do not necessarily have to go to the theaters. If they get
Correct.
invited there, they can
Buy a Waterfall member.
buy a waterfall member, obviously.
Yeah, it's not for general public.
Obviously.
So like that, we even have a banquet hall where we have given a separate entry, not from the building lobby or something.
Okay.
So a member can have his private party there
Right.
without disturbing the building.
Nice. Very nice. These are
The
some
other amenities we are giving is we have a massive gym, which again you have seen it.
correct.
A big yoga room. Along with the gym and yoga room, we have changing rooms, toilets, showers, lockers for men and women separately. Then we have a huge hair cutting salon,
Which
We
will
have-
be serviced.
fully attended.
Fully
every
attended.
single amenity will have attendants. Like
Nice.
the saloon might have a staff of 2, 3, 4, 5 people depending on the requirement of the members.
Nice.
We have 4 air-conditioned, of course our entire building is air-conditioned, but
Right.
we have 4 residential guest suites,
Right.
a huge wellness center for men, a huge wellness center for women. A staff room is separate on the ground floor. Staff entry is separate. We have 0 parking on the ground floor. We have 4 basements, and we are not talking of stackable parkings.
There's all straight parkings.
Yes.
Nice. So this is
Maybe visitors' car park might have a few stacks here and there,
right.
but for members, no.
Nice.
All regular.
So
car
basically, you are kind of living in a world-class luxurious hotel rather than an apartment.
Correct.
Everything is available right
like
at your
ours is
doorsteps.
the first
literally.
project in India where quintessentially, which we all are aware, is like world's #1 concierge service.
Correct.
So quintessentially, you know, their executives told me that yours is the first project. They told me, why do you want to give 10-year membership? I said, I want to give 10 years because then it becomes a way of life. I remember when I signed the contract 2 years back, or 2.5 years back, their membership was around 1 lakh per person per year plus 18% GST.
Right.
So I am giving to the entire family, like the member and his wife, or the other way around. The spouse also becomes a member, and the entire family residing there
Correct.
can avail of all the facilities.
Right.
And it's a part of the contract.
Brilliant. And that for 10 years for the entire family, which is built into the cost of the apartment.
Yes.
Which is
And
truly
it's
amazing.
completely free.
Which is amazing.
Yes.
And so there'll be one thing that I still cannot get over with is that when you were showing me apartment around, and you did mention to me that the entire facade of the building also you're putting Italian marble there.
Yeah, we are contemplating.
Yeah, so that is amazing because there is developers try to cut the cost wherever possible, especially when the areas where the touch and feel is not going to be there.
But Anand bhai, I'll be extremely honest with you. You know all my consultants.
Correct.
All of them will tell you every single meeting. As a developer, I only talked about upgrade. It was never ever downgrade
Right.
or cost cutting.
Correct.
So, and I think you know all the consultants.
I have been talking to you about this project since the time you were conceptualizing that project, and whatever you were saying, I was trying to grasp it. After seeing, I understood that I could not comprehend what you were telling me at that point in time. Because what you have shown in terms of specifications, in terms of the quality of the products that you've installed in the apartment, whether it is the faucet or it's a shower panel, everything is way beyond what Ahmedabad has seen. So I can truly vouch for that.
But you know, this I've been telling a lot of people.
Right.
I'll just give you a simple example. Let's say you have never been to Taj Mahal before. Let us say you have never seen an image of a Taj Mahal.
Correct.
And suddenly one fine day someone tells you that I'll make a Taj Mahal for you. For you it's going to be like Greek, Latin, Spanish, whatever.
Correct. Correct.
You know what I'm trying to say?
100%. You've not seen, how will you understand what
Because
it
you will
is?
say, ભાઈ એ તો બધા જ કહે છે કે
Correct.
આ બનાવી આપીશું, તે બનાવી આપીશું. So the idea here was to show it
Correct.
rather than saying we are going to do this, we are going to do that. Better way of, you know, explaining to your client is please have a look.
Correct. And just your sizes are also amazing. Like, you know, that 4-bedroom placement which can be configured to 5-bedroom in 10,000 plus super built up area, everything looks humongous inside. So you have a separate dining room. There is generally dining areas and not rooms, but you have dedicated dining room.
Yeah, that is true.
And the facilities or staff side is also very, very luxurious. All the bedrooms are truly humongous, and your sitting common areas are also amazing. So the luxury is not just in the specifications or the amenities, but it is also truly reflected in the sizes of the apartment also, and the rooms also.
Thank you.
So great planning.
I'm so happy you liked it.
The liking is not the right word, I would say. So Sunit bhai, but now when
Because you spoke about the sizes, one thing I would
Yeah.
like to tell you is, basically in such a huge apartment, you were asking if there's not a single, like you were telling me there's not a single passage.
correct.
Because I firmly believe in today's time when real estate has become so expensive,
So expensive.
every square inch of the apartment
Correct.
has to be a usable area.
Correct. Correct.
So, you know, we have avoided the best part about the layout that I like,
Yeah.
and most people like, is there
Correct.
are no passages in such a huge apartment.
So the optimization of the space to the fullest
Correct.
possible. In spite of
Correct.
having the luxurious sizes, you have gone to that extent whereby no wastage is there.
We have
into the
ensured
apartment.
that, I would
Yes, absolutely. So Sunitbhai, તમારું જે અત્યારે સ્પેસિફિક ડેફિનેશન છે ઓફ લક્ઝરી that is completely has changed or it will change once it is the launched and the sample house is being launched and everybody comes and visits it. Right now the luxury term is
very broad term,
loosely used term.
See,
1000
people
square
write
feet.
even in 1 BHK, 2 BHK, 3 BHK,
Exactly.
everything is luxury.
Exactly.
But what is luxury is actually for the buyer to decide
Correct.
okay, what is his definition of luxury.
Correct. So would you say that you are kind of redefining the luxury for the Gujarat or Ahmedabad market with luxury, as I said?
To be honest, I'm hoping to, and I'm quite confident I will.
Chalo, very nice.
Rather, the waterfall will.
Excellent. Excellent. સો સુનિતભાઈ, જેટલા બી કોમન લોકો છે તમારા અને મારા સ્ફિયરમાં, જ્યારે બી તમારી કોઈક વાત નીકળે ત્યારે એવરીબડી ટેલ્સ મી દેટ યુ આર અ વેરી પેશનેટ પર્સન ઓફ અબાઉટ યોર વર્ક ઓર વોટ એવર યુ ગેટ ઇન્વોલ્વડ ઇન. અને વિથ લુકિંગ એટ ઓલ ઓફ ધીસ ઇટ ડેફિનેટલી કમ્સ આઉટ દેટ યુ હેવ મેડ this project completely with passion and it reflects in the work that you have done there.
I think with bridge, with Saket Garbas, with waterfall,
Correct.
I think I'll agree with them.
Absolutely, it just shows. All right, Sunit bhai, so as our tradition, we are going to do a rapid fire questions. I'm going to shoot some questions at you. So quickly, if you can just reply to those questions. So the first one here it goes. Which is your favorite hotel?
Ritz-Carlton, Singapore.
Singapore. So Ritz-Carlton. I've heard about that. I've never been, but it's amazing. It's truly.
Yeah, for stay, yes. But as a hotel, my favorite property is Marina Bay Sands again, which is, I can see it from my Ritz-Carlton suite.
Singapore. Correct.
Yes.
Absolutely.
It's just across, diagonally up.
Right,
across.
with that true infinity pool at the on the top level.
No,
and so
not
on.
pool, pools.
Pools, yes, obviously, yes, correct. Your favorite travel destination?
Italy.
Italy, okay.
I think I've been there 5 or 6 times.
So what? Very nice. Your role model for the person who inspires you?
Roger Federer.
Okay. All right. For this, the work he has done in his sports is amazing. Your favorite sport other than bridge?
A lot of them, but tennis.
Tennis, obviously. Okay. Some of the residential projects you like in Ahmedabad?
Well, there are quite a few. East Ebony is there. North One.
Correct. Made by True Value, yes.
Yes. Then Banyan.
Correct. This is one of the luxurious apartments, very, very nicely done.
Which others? 70.
70 is also is a good, very, very desirable building.
So I think these are the projects which started the trend of
Luxury in Ahmedabad.
high-end apartments.
Correct.
Yes.
Correct. What do you like to do in your free time, in when you call it a me time?
Reading, watching movies, music.
Nice. And while talking about movies, your favorite movie and why?
I really won't be able to answer why, but Godfather, yes.
Godfather, yeah. It has a finesse in that
Yes.
movie. Yeah.
And one thing, family loyalty.
Correct.
In short, loyalty.
Correct. Correct. Correct.
But Marlon Brando, Al Pacino at their best.
Correct. Correct. Great. Superb.
Superb movie.
Yes.
I think I must have watched it some 14, 15, 16
I've seen it multiple times myself also.
I think most people must have.
Correct. Correct. Right on. I think that brings us to the end of the conversation. Thank you so much, Sunit bhai, for being here, and we have a small token of appreciation for you being here with us
As
today.
I said earlier, I should be thanking you.
Absolutely. Thank you so much. Truly a pleasure here.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Sunit
Thank
bhai.
you. Thank you.
Truly a pleasure having a conversation with you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much for being part of this track conversation with Mr. Sunit Choksi. And do like this video, do subscribe to our YouTube channel, and follow us on our social media. The handles are The Real Estate Connect, TREC, both on Facebook and Instagram. Thank you and have a great day.